Because of my short encounters with her unusual way of teaching, I learned 4 things. First, be mindful of your actions. Anesthesiology requires vigilance, attention to details, including computations. My name is Nelia, and Dr. Rivera's nickname is Nelly. When I was a first-year resident, she asked me to change my first name. So if a staff scold me for my mistakes, she will not think that she is being reprimanded. Of course, I did not change my name, but I became careful with my actions and even became proud of my first name. Second, always be a student who is willing to learn. Continue reading. During my senior year, she asked me to read on Shapiro instead of the usual textbooks on anesthesia. I followed her, and to this day, I am still grateful for the knowledge and interest on respiratory physiology and critical care which I gained by reading that book. When I passed the written examination of the Philippine Board of Anesthesiology, she asked me, "Kumusta si Pining?" I then learned that Dr. Rivera graduated from Instituto de Mujeres, founded by Rosa Sevilla, who defied the norms at the time that lay school cannot teach religion. And Pining is the directress of Rosa Sevilla Memorial School, where I graduated. That was the first time I heard someone called Dr. Josefina Alvero by her nickname Pining. Third, be interested in people. Be aware of your environment. Be proud of your roots, or make them proud of you. Fourth, do not be afraid to revolutionize or start on projects. It is okay to take a path that is not yet taken. I am thankful and proud that I was able to work with her from the time I was a resident.